Good morning, everyone, and good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. My name is Liz, and this is our New Beginning Season 3, Episode 1. So, just as a small background, if you have been following us for a while, so my name is Liz, and I am one half of Ian and Liz Domingo of the Facebook business page, and we are proud digital business owners. And today I'm coming to you live from the United Arab Emirates. It's actually about 9 a.m. here in the Emirates, and our first episode, we are going to be inviting and interviewing our business partners all the way from Bulacan, UAE. So let me invite them to our session now.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi, Glenn and Shiki. How are you?
Hi.
Hello.
Kamusta kayo?
We're
I'm
good.
good. Thank you. How was
Nice.
the weather in
Nice.
Dubai?
So today is actually about 30 degrees. The weather is getting better here in the Emirate actually. So October normally the weather starts to cool down, so people start to go to the beach, enjoy outdoors, which is very welcoming because
Nice.
being in the desert, it can be very hot and humid. So it's a nice change. It's a nice change of weather. How is it back home? How is it back home in the Philippines?
The Philippines is kind of, sometimes it would rain in the afternoon and then a very hot weather in the morning up to noon. So we're kind of getting crazy about this. There's a lot of flu. We couldn't identify now what is flu and what is, you know,
Yeah, so hopefully you guys are keeping safe and keeping yourselves healthy. Okay.
yes.
So
Yes.
I think we can start by telling us about yourself. Who is Glenn and who is Chicky?
You want to start?
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Chiki, and this is my husband, Glenn. We've been married for 15 years already,
Wow.
and we have two beautiful daughters. Our oldest is 13 years old, Amira,
Mm-hmm.
and our youngest is Ali. She's 9 years old. And we're from the Philippines, particularly here in Bulacan, Marilao, Bulacan.
Wow.
Um, we've been living here in Marilao for 11 years already. Um, that's it. Before I used to work at the Maxis group of companies as an HR practitioner. I've worked there for 7 years, almost 7 years. And then had to quit my job because I have to take care of the family. So
Take care of
family,
me.
yeah, take care of it
Particularly you.
before anything else. So that's it.
Well,
Hmm.
my name is Glenn, and I'm the other half of Chiki, as you know. I used to work as a teacher in an international Christian school, and then I went to Riyadh to work as well as a computer teacher. And then right after that, I moved back to the Philippines because I keep on
Mm-mm.
missing my family.
Yes.
I work as a training officer in one of our prestigious real estate company here in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
And then after 1.5 years, I would like to travel for free. So I joined the I joined the fleet, becoming a seafarer myself.
Wow. Okay.
There, I was able to travel all around the world, experience a lot of people, doing it for free. And then after 10 years, finally came home. Finally home. Work since 2018 here as a technical data specialist. That's me.
Wow, so you guys have been through different journeys in your career as well, right? I mean, Chika has been in HR and then she decided to focus on family, to be stay-at-home mom, to be with your daughters. And you, Glenn, you've been also in the Middle East, yeah, like me. I mean, I've been in Dubai for me and my husband Ian. We've been here for like almost 13 years, coming 13 years. So it's been a long time already.
Wow.
Yeah. So tell me, guys. So even though you've been in the professional and corporate world for a while, why did you decide to go into digital business ownership? What is it in there?
Well, basically, for me, why this business? I saw the potential in this business after watching
Mm,
all the webinars and being in the community. I saw the potential, and it's really a way to really help my husband with our financials. You
mhm,
pay the bills and everything. So it's really my goal to really help him with our financials. That's why I um I
You're eager.
yeah, I'm very eager to really learn and to to really learn about this digital business. That's why I got into this business.
And yeah, when I first heard about this business, I was
mm,
we actually were very skeptical. We
mhm,
thought that, hey, another business again. We've been to a lot of business online, brick and mortar. We've been through a lot. We actually have our own retail store before, and
okay.
so I thought, why don't we just stick to our careers, our
Mm.
jobs? But shout out to Ayin, my mentor, Ayin
Hi,
Tan.
Ayin.
He showed us the way on how to really set up our own digital business. And this time, I saw the potential of this business. That's why, without without hesitation, after being skeptics, of course, for probably 2 days, I
2 days. It's still a
said,
short time to be skeptic.
success, and I've read all about how Ayin was able to explain it to us very well. I I, I said, yeah, let's
Do
move on. Let's
this.
do this.
Mhm.
You know what can
What
what
can
can
what
we
can we?
lose?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. So basically,
Actually,
that's it. And so yeah, we're here in our business right now. Of course, it's the money is there. So that's the first ever
Reason
reason why we get into this
mm-mm,
business. Plus, of course, my kids are going to college, and
eventually.
eventually, I cannot
Yes.
afford to send them into prestigious schools. Probably in state universities here in the Philippines,
mm, mm,
not in prestigious schools like you've been here, and prestigious
yes.
schools here. The top of the
Mm,
top top universities here
Very
are
expensive.
very,
mm,
very expensive. That's why we
exactly.
decided to check out this business, and right now we are enjoying every moment of it.
That's really great to hear this story, guys, because I think it's very important to stress that this is a business. This is not a get quick rich scheme. So nobody gets to be rich overnight, because that really just proves the authenticity of this business. This is something you have to invest your money, your effort, your time on, because like any real business, you have to invest in that, because it also helps you to grow as a person. Like Chiki was saying, she was very eager to learn new things. And I personally, I really enjoyed so many things, learning so many things about this business, because I have been in retail for about 12 years as well. And we operate retail stores, brick and mortar stores here in the UAE. And I really seen the difference of what an online store and a brick and mortar store really can generate.
Yeah.
The potential of a digital business really is much higher. And
Mm-hmm.
especially now, we are in this pandemic. Of course,
Yes.
we are still praying that things get better for everybody, but we also need to be thinking like, where is this going? Where is the future?
Yes,
Right? And we know, like from the past how many months now of being locked down, that really anything that's online is thriving, right? Anything
exactly.
that's online is the potential, because digital really is the future.
And Liz, look, anything that sells online like us, look at our faces. It's really fresh, blooming. You see, we didn't have that kind of face when I was doing the brick and mortar. I was like so haggard and every sweaty and perspiring,
Stressful.
distressed. But look at us right now. We are so thankful, really. Just to be able to look like this after a while, it's amazing.
Exactly. We can really tell the difference, because the great thing about this business is it really runs by itself on the background. You set it
Yeah,
up, it runs in the background. Even if you go to spending more time with your kids, I know Chiki, you're helping your daughters with their schoolwork, you don't have to always keep on checking about your business, because it runs by itself, right?
yeah,
That is really, guys, the power of system automation. And the
Yes.
system that we have, as you know, is proven and tested. It's not like theory. It's proven and tested, and it has been working for so many global business around the world. It's not limited to the Philippines. It's not even limited in the UAE, right? We have business
Global.
partners, especially from Canada, from the US, from Thailand, from Qatar, from Ireland, from different corners of the world. So imagine the sense of community that we have in there. It's really, really amazing.
Yeah. We could see ourselves traveling there, meeting our business
And meeting
partners.
business partners, right? I would love to meet you guys. I mean,
Yeah.
for everybody who was following us, we haven't met in person. You know, I haven't met Glenn and Chic in person, but we are business partners. We have been conversing almost on a daily basis, learning from each other, learning as a group. Like, what are your wins right now? What are your challenges? How can we help each other, drive each other's businesses? You know, it's really that sense of community that keeps us together. You know?
Ex-
How it's great, being with this community. You learn from each other, and the community
Exactly.
is very generous with their learnings. They're not madamot. They're very generous.
Yes, I
You
know.
learn really from each other. When you have problems, when
Exactly.
you have questions, they're very generous with their answers.
Even personal problems.
Yeah, even personal problems.
Yeah,
So
so we actually built friendships in this business, right? Not just
Yes,
business relationship, but also personal relationships.
exactly.
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, like for me, shout out to my coach and mentor, Louville. Hi, Louville. We've been friends since university years, but we have only been business partners. So it's like another title that's added to our relationship. We have been friends from the longest time, but now we are business partners since 3 months ago. And it's really amazing because this business brings people together, even if you're friends from before or you're complete strangers, like both of us, right?
Yes.
Like you and Ayin. I don't think you know Ayin from before, right?
Stranger to Ian. We just met.
You met her online, right?
Yeah.
So guys, uh, can we take a step back a little bit? Like, how did you find out about this business? How did you get to know Ayin and all that?
Do
Is
you
it?
want me? Well, at that time, during the onset of this pandemic, I was thinking of losing my job. I was very paranoid. Everybody's
Losing their job at
losing
that
their
time.
job in my company. It's an international company, and I don't know what to do. The bills are piling up, and I was telling Chiki that what else can we do? We only have plan A. This is my only bread and butter.
Yes.
This job. So with closed eyes, we basically enter the business as our plan B. So yeah,
So,
that's what happened. I thought that I'm going to lose my job. And you see, when you don't have any other choice and you don't have any other earnings, any kind of financial backup, you will really think about building your own business. And what's the best way to build business right now than to build it online? You
yes,
know,
during this
because I
Exactly.
leave my work. I love my job. Uh, you might be surprised that I'm excelling in my job, even if I'm the newest on the team. But you see, that's that's one thing. You love your job, but nobody's going to take care of you after your job except yourself. So me and Chiki, we said we have to go
have
out.
a plan
We
B.
have to have a plan B, and we have to we cannot just keep ourselves contained in this house. We really need to make sure that after all the businesses that we have been previously, we can still be able to get up and have another business. And very blessed, we are very blessed right now that we found this amazing, really amazing business.
That's really great, because like you said, we don't know what's happening in the world right now. We're praying for better days ahead, but we all need to have a plan B and a plan C and a plan D if anything, right?
Yes.
And I really think seeing the potential of this business, this is a very workable and legitimate plan B, even a plan A for everybody, right? I think the most important thing about this is, just check it out, right? So it's not that we're asking people to just jump in without knowing what they're jumping themselves, without knowing what they're getting themselves into. That's why we're offering this complimentary webinar, right? So anybody can log in, anybody can see what this business is about, and if they think that this is for them, then great, they can continue on. But if not, then that's okay as well, because
The,
like you
fear
said.
is, the fear is that most of them would
Mm,
think that this business is run by, you know, by people who are rich,
mm,
famous, things like that. No, it's not.
That's not
We came from a middle class family here in the
just
Philippines. We
ordinary
are
people.
ordinary people, ordinary family, and we are able to, you know, get on with superstars. Uh, Back in the United States, we were able to work out with millionaires from Canada, things like that, and just like with you right now, it doesn't matter where you came from. You
yes,
came from a rich family, you came from a middle class family, you came from just getting by. It really doesn't matter. It's all about your mindset.
Yes, as long
yes,
as you're teachable, really
you're
coachable.
coachable. Very true, very true. Exactly, because if we don't do anything, what's going to happen to us? We're going to just wait for things to happen, right? We need to make
Exactly.
things happen for us,
Yes, if
because
you just
otherwise,
about it and not doing anything, nothing will really happen.
not exactly. As they say, nothing changes if nothing changes. And you have to take that leap of faith, right? It's
Yes.
really just a leap of faith. And again, seeing from the success stories of the people in this business, it really inspires me every day. Like hearing their stories. This person has just started as a cashier 2 years ago, but now she's one of our most successful business owners, right?
Yes.
This lady has been an immigrant from a different country. She immigrated to Canada, but now again she's like less than 30 years old. But how the business worked out for her is she was able to bring her parents into Canada.
Wow.
So those are really milestones that it's very inspiring. And for us, to be honest, for me and Ian, like we've been in the UAE for more than a decade, right? And we've been married for almost 4 years now. It's been a great journey to be helping our parents through our jobs. We're very thankful for the jobs that we had, but then again, we're not getting any younger. We want
Yeah.
to be able to start also supporting our dreams, but at the same time, still continue supporting our families back home because they are our pillars. They give us everything that we have. So it's time to let them also enjoy the fruits of their hard work. I would want to be able to support my parents in their retirement age. I would still want to continue to treat my siblings when I can, but still, still have something left for us
Yes.
because we also want to set up for our family. And I know that the job or the earnings that we're getting here is still not enough for all of these things that we want to achieve. So why not get something online that's legitimate and has that huge potential to even exceed our expectations? So that's very exciting for both of us, really.
For all of us.
Exactly. Is there anything that you would want to say to your followers who are watching right now or who are going to be watching the replay later?
Well, um, you see, I don't know. What about you? You want to say something to our followers? Thank you for
Um,
following us.
Thank you for
That's
following us. First and foremost, thank you for following us, and please continue to follow us. And this business has a great potential, and you just have to check it out.
mm,
And we're just ordinary people, middle class family, and anyone who is coachable, teachable can do this business.
yes.
If we can do this, definitely you guys can do this too.
Our goal is to be able to help families who are in the middle class because there's a survey that happens when they say that middle class families just tend to wait for from paycheck to paychecks. And so for them to be able to uh, elevate themselves into being business owners, there is somebody should start uh, building and teaching them how to become online business owners. So that's our main goal, to help people uh, be business owners and entrepreneurs. And as a parting word, there's people who keep on saying that, hey, I don't like that business. See, especially online
I
business.
can't do that.
I can't
don't
do
know that.
that, and you won't be able to get rich. It's taking too long to get rich in an online business. But I have a parting word, and this came from one of our business mentors. Can I read it, Liz?
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
Your mindset is broken when you think that 2 to 5 years in the business is a long time to get rich. Yet you are happy to work 40 years in a company just to stay above broke. You see? That's it. The message is clear. Either you work 40 years or you tell yourselves, hey, this is an opportunity. Let's take it. You have 30 days to learn this business and then you can refund. That's it. No, no,
Exactly.
no questions asked. Nothing.
No
When
hard
I was
feelings.
no hard feelings,
Feelings. Yes.
no hard feelings.
Yeah. Because we also recognize the fact that this business might not be for everybody, but you wouldn't know if this is for you if you haven't at least checked it out, right? Check it out, guys. There's nothing to lose and so much to gain by watching this free webinar that you can see by registering in any of our links. So our link is www.ianandlizdomingo.com.
And
Again,
I think if you're comfortable joining our team, our link is www.cheekyandglenn.com.
right. So there you go, guys. So you've heard it from the business partners themselves, from proud digital business owners themselves. And I hope you get inspired today by their story. I hope you get inspired today by our journey and from our learnings. And we hope to see you on the inside. So that's
Thank
all
you.
for now. Thank you, Glenn and Chicky, for a wonderful chat today. Stay safe, you guys, and hope to chat with you soon.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Stay
Bye.
safe. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.